Hello everyone, this is Cozy. Now let's take a look at what we'll need. The next one that I'm gonna show you is lay the solid fabric wrong side up. Next, we're gonna lay the cotton batting and flowers fabric. So now wrap it up. And let us stitch all the way across. You can do the same thing on the opposite side. Let's rotate it and fold the edge diagonally. Stick some pins. Now what you want to do is let us stitch. Maybe you can do the same thing on the other side. Well done! Try this new one. I think you'll really enjoy it because it's a piece of cake. Hey guys, see you later!